Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Rizqi Dimas Sandika. I am class 2 MD. Here I will present the milling mechanic parts and their function. Okay, the one base, the base of the mechanic, the very bottom, the function of this section is function for the milling mechanic. Two, body. The body part curve of the mechanic with his precision, such a bird's tail in upright position. The position of the mechanic's body is very steady and upright. One of the positions of decision is the movement of the can carry the table and saddle up and down. 3. Can. In the secession it says to covers the R, span, leg, and upgrade with tail. One of the tail is present with a saddle, while the other tail is parent with calm engineering body. The cane was also made of can iron, the same as the base of the mechanism. For this can be moved, but the direction of movement must be vertical. And for saddle, for this section is location between the mechanic table and the can. The grading has square speed and is so made of cast iron. The saddle I can move across and almost to be gone. And 5. Mechanic table. The position of the mechanic table is above the saddle. This section is also made for cast iron. The mechanic table is rectangular and has a steep groove. This table is the main position of bending object during the milling process. And 6. Arm. The position of the arm is at the top of the curve of the mechanic in above universal and horizontal milling mechanics. 7. Spindle. The spindle is most important for among other milling mechanic parts. The position of the spindle itself is to hold the cutting to form this mechanic, as well as print for a bar on the horizontal milling mechanic. 8. Arbor. The arbor section has a position for the exchange for the spindle. The jam arbor can also be used to hold the cutting tool, milling knife. 9. Arbor support. For arbor support has a position as arbor support so that it can move steadily. This section for a gap in the space of bird's tail. In addition, the arbor support is also paired with the engineer hole and arm. And 10. Milling head. The milling head is located at the very top for the vertical milling mechanic. The milling head's position of the motor, spindle, and shaper are under control and mechanics. Of the 10 part of the milling mechanic above, there are several other mechanic parts, and just the part above important radaring and milling process, while the other parts do not play too much. Okay, will this I can from today presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.